How to become millionaire: the truth no one tells you. Why is it so hard to achieve financial success in life? What specific things are the rich doing every day that the rest of us aren't? Is there a specific formula for accumulating extreme wealth? By studying the common practices of millionaires, we can identify patterns and follow in their steps to become a millionaire. 1. Create a wealth vision. Step 1 of becoming financially successful is to actually create a vision for yourself financially. Einstein said that imagination is more important than knowledge. How much imagination do you have for your future? Do you see huge potential and possibility for your life? Or do you see a pretty average life? Creating a vision is an iterative process. You don't just create a vision once and then never look at it again. You continually create and write your vision every single day. Look at any area of your life in which you're doing well, and you'll find it's because you see something beyond what you currently have. By that same token, look at any area of your life that isn't exceptional, and you'll find that you don't see something beyond what you currently have. Most people are living in and repeating the past. Having a vision is focused on the future. Your life and behavior immediately shift when you begin imagining a different future and stridently strive for it. Having a vision for your life means you no longer care what other people think of you. It means you're ready to begin actually living the life you want. It means you're no longer going to just go with the flow, as you have for most of your life. It means that regardless of what your parents, peers, and social environment have presented to you thus far, you're going to create the life you want. If you found value on this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. 2. Think about new revenue streams. Millionaires rarely have only one form of revenue. In fact, many of them have more than two. Start small and find a side job that can generate more money for you on a monthly basis. Some options could be offering your expertise as a freelance consultant, mentoring and teaching, working a second job part-time, renting the spare room in your home. 3. Network with like-minded people. The phrase "it's not what you know, but who you know" couldn't be truer. You'll often find that successful people associate with equally as successful peers, whether or not they are in the same field. As a result, it is key that you start networking with people that have the way with which to catapult you to success. Unfortunately, even if you are the best brain surgeon in the world, nobody will know it unless you tell them. So find out where your industry icons will be, and go and meet them. There are a number of ways you can meet successful people, some of which include sending a simple email, using social media to contact them, meeting them at events and conferences, subscribing to their newsletter, attending their webinars. 4. Identify ideal mentors. Wealthy people work to learn. Poor people work for money. So, who do you admire? Who is doing work you absolutely love? How can you help them achieve their goals? How can you use your skills and abilities to enhance and improve what they are doing? It is really so easy to get close to just about anyone. I've observed this over and over in my life. I've been able to develop very close relationships with anyone I've wanted. It started with a vision. I wrote down that I was going to learn from and work with certain people. I studied their work. I developed skills that would be useful to them. I got myself into their environment. I offered my skills to them in the form of an opportunity, one in which would help them further succeed. I became part of the inner circle. Being in the inner circle, I'm now afforded rare knowledge, experiences, and opportunities. This is what you want. You develop mentorships and partnerships by being useful. You dedicate your thoughts and efforts to helping them. By helping them, you position yourself in a unique place. In this unique new position, making lots of money becomes easy. If you want more videos like this, please like and subscribe and write your questions on comment section. Thank you for watching.